Good morning. First one of the day. New client with his recently acquired ZZR1400. What an awesome bit of kit. This is in from one of our full works packages, which will include a 2-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, and then we'll treat it with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. We will also ceramic all these wheels. It's 25,000 miles, so it's got a few miles on it. I will XCP the motor, center stand, all the swing arm and suspension linkages, but the rest of it is all going to get treated with the Ultimaxx ceramic. We'll get all these discs all cleaned up, get that exhaust all polished up like new. I must say it's pretty good shape for a 25,000 miler. Someone's looked after it, but we're going to give it a good dosing of ceramic protection, so this will be kept like this for years to come. Let's get all this bodywork all minted up, get all that exhaust cleaned, disc cleaned. It has just recently been serviced, so all that chain is all nice and lubed up. I will get all that excess chain lube off, get it looking like it should, and get it protected for the years ahead. Give me a few hours. Okay, fully washed, degreased, decontaminated, blow dried, now in the studio for a bit of inspection. We're going to do a 2-stage machine polish. Got a couple little blemishes. Must say it's very good shape for a 25,000 miler. I will polish up this windscreen, see if we can remove a few of those marks. The wheels are a bit scratched up, which is to be expected, so I'm probably going to do a little polishing on those before I apply any ceramic. Like I said, I am going to apply the XCP on all the motor, as it's got a few miles on it, so the rest of it will get the I can see a few marks on there. The rest of it will get the ceramic. I'm going to airbrush the ceramic on every nook and cranny, the wheels, all your instruments, all your forks. I will hand apply it on all the painted bodywork. There you go, 3.5 hours on the dot. This ZZR1400 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Look at the gloss on that paintwork. This has had one of our full works packages, which includes a 2-stage machine polish and the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. That's a 5-year ceramic on all the bodywork. We use the Ultimaxx Lumex, which I applied to the wheels. Look at the gloss on those wheels. I did polish those up first, prepped them and treated it to the Ultimaxx Lumex. All done, 3.5 hours. Customer is absolutely gobsmacked. All ready for the summer ahead. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. I did put the XCP on all the motor. I painted the rusty center stand, XCP'd all the suspension linkages. All the chain has been lubed up, XCP'd on all the extra nuts and bolts, which I think need that extra bit of protection, but those wheels have come up. Look at the gloss on those. Good old Ultimaxx. Like I said, we use the Lumex on all the wheels, Signature Pro on the rest of the bodywork. Absolutely gleaming. Get yours booked in now. We're open at 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.